Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we are taking a look at an intermediate arrangement of T.N.T by AC/DC. So let's kick things off by taking a look at the main riff. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this riff is based around the chords of E major, G major, A5, then we play the G note on the E string, back to the A5, and then back to the G note. So you're just playing the root note of the G chord instead of playing the full G. So we have this. We're using all downstrokes to play this riff and also take care with the muting. I'm applying my palm to cut the chords off. It's really important to observe the space between the chords because that is equally as important as the chords that you play. Now, the main riff is featured throughout the song. It's featured in the intro as well as the verse. Now, the little section that I played at the beginning of this lesson was a very abbreviated version of the verse where I held on the final A5 chord. So you would repeat through that main riff and then you would conclude by hanging on that A5. And that will sound like this.